cooking hack, pet care, Lucky Charms, planting, mukbang. Subscribe, like and share. Please subscribe, health tips, kitchen hack, and a lot more. ROSYVLOG20, liver marinate with soy sauce in citrus. Set aside. Boil potato and carrots. Peel and grind. When it's done, set aside. Boil swamp cabbages dumped. Next, the swamp cabbage leaves. When it's done, put in the strainer. To remove excess water and grind also. Set aside again. In a pan, heat cooking oil and fry pork liver. When liver is cooked, cut into small and grind. Heat another pan. Pour marination in pan. Let it boil for 2 minutes. When liver is already cool, grind it. Pour grind liver in a pan. Mix it. Simmer for 30 seconds. Next, with potato and carrots. Next, with swamp cabbage. Simmer for about 2 minutes and let it cool. And now let's portion this stuff. This is how I make my dog's food. My fur baby doesn't like dog food ever since. After portioning, I put in a fridge. guys, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, click the notification bell. Click all to get more updated. Thank you guys for watching my video. God bless.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe, like and share. Just click the notification bell, click all.